Hello everyone, this is Mr. Appel, and today I want to explain exponential growth and kind of how it works and how it can sneak up on you. So imagine you just got a job in a science lab and you're told your job is to just watch this beaker. Just sit and stare at that beaker, that's all you have to do. And all you're told is that the beaker has a bacteria in it, and that bacteria is growing and it's doubling every minute. So it doubles in size every minute. Okay. And it's going to take 1 hour to fill the beaker. So let's try to imagine what that's going to look like as you sit there for that hour. So if you think about when the beaker will be halfway full. So stop and think about that for a second. If you said after 30 minutes, think again. Remember, it doubles every minute. So if at 30 minutes it was half full, 1 minute later it would double and be completely full. So let's kind of work backwards. So if after 60 minutes you have one full beaker, let's just back up from there. Well, what'll be in the beaker at 59 minutes? Well, at 59 minutes, the beaker will be half full. And then working backwards from that, 58 minutes, it'll be 1/4 full. And then at 57 minutes, it'll be 1/8 full. At 56 minutes, it'll be 1/16 full. Oops. And sorry, just one there. Let's go back one more to 55 minutes. It'll be 1/32 full. So if you imagine what that looks like, 1/32 full. So cut that beaker into 32 parts. Barely visible. Maybe you can just see it. So imagine this hour now. For the first 55 minutes, it looks like nothing's happening. Right? Now, the bacteria is doubling in size every minute, but you don't see anything. Right? If you back up 5 more minutes to 50 minutes, sorry, I'm running out of space here. If you back up 5 more minutes to 50 minutes, the beaker is 1/1024 full, just to give you an idea. So it looks empty. You're not going to see anything. So 55 minutes go by, nothing's happening. But all of a sudden, in these last 5 minutes here, it goes from almost nothing, barely visible, 1/32 full, to 1/16, 1/8, 1/4, 1/2, 1. So again, 55 minutes of nothing. And then in the last 5 minutes, all of a sudden it's full. But now let's go a little further and see what happens in the next couple minutes. So 61, 1 more minute. Now there's 2 full beakers. So now you're scrambling around the lab looking for another beaker to catch all this stuff. And then another minute goes by, and now there's 4 full beakers. And then another minute, and there's 8. And then another minute, and it's 16. And another minute, and now there's 32 beakers full of bacteria. So again, the first 55 minutes, nothing. The last 10, you went from nothing to, there's 32 beakers full of bacteria and it's everywhere. And if we go 5 more minutes to 70 minutes, there's now over 1,000 beakers full of bacteria. So again, to summarize, 55 minutes, nothing. The last 15 minutes, we went from nothing to, oh my goodness. On a graph, that looks like what we call a J-curve. And that's what exponential growth looks like. Thanks.